Hello, in front of me I have Lenovo Ego Smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the notification alerts for this watch on the Android phone. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Lenovo Live application. Once the devices are paired, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Lenovo Live application for the notifications to work. So, to do it, press and hold on the Lenovo Live application icon. Once this menu opens, tap on App Info. Here tap on Permissions, and right here we have the permissions we can allow or deny. And for the notification alerts to work, we need to allow permission for call log, contacts, phone, and SMS. If the permissions are not allowed, they should be on denied list. So let's deny, for example, SMS. It's gonna be right here on the deny list. You can tap on it, tap on allow, and go back. And you need to allow it for SMS, phone, contacts, and call logs. Once you allow these permissions, you can close this menu. Now we can open the Lenovo Live application on our phone. Wait until the ad is done. Now you should see the home page of the app right here. Tap on the profile icon. Select your Ego watch from the list of devices. Tap on the Smart Reminder option. And here we need to, as you can see, we need to allow the notification access for the Lenovo Live application. So let's tap on Settings. It's gonna redirect us to the notification access. Now find the Lenovo Live on the list. As you can see, it says not allowed. We need to tap on it, tap on the switch, allow it, and now we can go back to the Lenovo Live application. And at this point, we can enable or disable the notifications by tapping on the switches. And we have calling reminder, that's for calls, SMS reminder, that's for messages, and we can also enable the notifications or other alerts for the apps, specific apps like WeChat, QQ, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, Line, and Skype. And you can enable them by tapping the switch next to one. Once you're done, you can close the app, and at this point you should be able to receive the notification alerts on your watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.